this video we'll be looking into how to color eyes in Photoshop. So first I'm going to add some enhancement to the eyes using curves adjustment layer. So just increase some brightness and close it. And invert the layer mask and just paint over the ISO. So paint over both the eyes. So now you can see the change happen only for the eyes. So next I'm going to add hue saturation layer to add color to the eyes. Make sure you check the colorize option. Using hue, select a color and saturation if you want to. Invert the mask and just paint over the eyes using appropriate paint brush size. Add another hue saturation layer to add more color. So now I am going to add something like yellow. So yeah, this looks good. I'm going to invert the mask and just reduce the size of the brush and just paint over the eye area using white as the foreground to add the color. Add one more hue saturation layer. Here I am going to add some red. Invert the mask and just paint by using a small brush size. Now we have three colors in our eyes. I'm going to remove all the colors from the eyeball area using black as the foreground. And check that whether you have overdone any areas, and paint using black to remove that area. Now when you're done, just group them and change the opacity if you want. If you have overdone it, use opacity to adjust.